Welcome to a new Tech Solutions video. Today I will teach you how to print two A5 pages on one A4 page in Word. So, if you want to learn how to do this, stay until the end of the video where I will show you how. The first thing we need to do is go into the file section of our Word document that we want to print and go to the section that says print. Once there, we are going to leave the page selection A5 as it is. If you have it in another way, change it to A5. Then we are going to go down to the last option, and where it says one page per sheet, we are going to change it to 2 pages for sheet. And then we are going to click on the same option again, but this time we are going to click on the scaling to paper size option, and we are going to choose the A4 format. And finally, we are going to click on the print button, and that's it. We are going to wait for everything to print. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If so, subscribe and give us a like. I will see you in a next Tech Solutions video.